Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your eBay store branding assets for a consistent look. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to update your eBay store branding assets for a consistent look. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Navigate to the My eBay section in the upper right corner. Click on Manage My Store from the drop-down menu. In the left-hand menu, select Store Branding. Here, you'll find options. Start with your store logo. Click the Edit button next to the logo section. Upload a high-quality image that represents your brand. Make sure your logo fits the recommended dimensions for optimal display. Next, update your store banner. Click on the Edit button in the banner section. Choose an eye-catching image that showcases your store's personality. Ensure the banner meets eBay's size requirements for a perfect fit. Now, let's move on to your store colors. Scroll to the Store Colors section. Select a color scheme that aligns with your brand identity. This will help create a cohesive and professional look. Once you've made your changes, preview them to see how they look together. If everything looks good, click the Save button to apply your changes. Lastly, review your store layout and item listings to ensure consistency. Make any necessary adjustments to maintain your branding across all aspects. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your eBay store branding assets for a consistent look. Your store is now ready to attract more buyers with its cohesive presentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.